Hello, little explorers! It's Lucy. Today we're going on a super fun adventure through 3 amazing worlds. First, we'll visit the cool green forest, where cute animals love to hide, play, and explore. Next, we'll dive into the sparkling ocean, home to silly fish, clever octopuses, and many gentle sea creatures. And finally, we'll stop by the happy farm, where cows, chickens, and lots of friendly animals live together. Are you ready, my friends? All right then, let's begin our adventure with Teacher Luxie. All right, little friends, now let's build a beautiful model together. I'm placing down a big block of green soil. Then, I add a golden rock to make a tiny cave and a tall gray cliff with natural-looking grooves. To make the stream, I gently spread a thin layer of bubble wrap. When you touch it, it makes a fun little pop-pop sound. Okay, let's pour some green sand right here. And on the other side, we add pink sand to create a sweet, colorful new land. Now it's time for the water! I slowly pour blue slime over the bubble wrap. Wow, so pretty! The slime flows down like a crystal clear river running through the forest. I sprinkle colorful pebbles all around the water's edge. And finally, we add more slime to complete the river. I place a tall coconut tree beside the waterfall to make the forest feel cooler. Next is a small tree standing right near the water. And our little forest corner is now fresh, green, and full of life. Next, we build a warm wooden house and place a tiny animal pen beside it. Then, we add flower bushes and tall plants. The tall corn stalks and round, cute cabbages make the farm look lively and full of energy. We gently place colorful coral clusters to make the ocean look more vibrant. The small stones along the shore also make the water sparkle beautifully. Ta-da! Our forest now has mountains, water, and trees. Everything is ready to welcome all the adorable animals into their new home. Stork. Storks are long-legged birds that love living near rivers and wet fields. They use their sharp beaks to catch fish, shrimp, and small insects. Storks can stand very still while waiting for food. Their wide wings help them glide smoothly in the sky. They often migrate to warmer places when the season changes. In many cultures, storks are symbols of peace. Snake. Snakes are long, legless reptiles with smooth, flexible bodies. They slither by, waving their bodies in gentle curves. Some snakes have venom to hunt or protect themselves. They shed their skin to grow and stay clean. Their split tongues help them smell the air. Snakes keep nature balanced by controlling pests. Macaw parrot. Macaws shine with bright red, yellow, and blue feathers. They're very smart and can mimic human voices. Their strong beaks help them crack hard nuts and climb trees. Macaws usually live in pairs and stay together for life. They communicate with loud calls in the deep forest. They're among the most beautiful tropical birds in the world. Gala cockatoo. These parrots have a cheerful pink crest that stands out. They love flying in big flocks and making fun noises. Galas learn sounds very quickly. They eat seeds, fruits, and tiny insects. They are playful, friendly, and love attention. People call them one of Australia's cutest parrots. Pandas have adorable black and white fur. Their favorite food is bamboo, lots and lots of it. They spend up to 12 hours a day eating. Pandas are gentle and calm. They live in cool mountain forests. They are symbols of peace and kindness. Beaver. Beavers are famous for building dams and wooden homes. Their strong front teeth never stop growing. They swim well and use their flat tails to balance. Beavers make ponds to keep their families safe. They work hard and always help each other. They're nature's clever little architects. Capybara. Capybaras are the largest rodents in the world. They are gentle and love living in big groups. They swim very well and spend lots of time in the water. They eat grass and soft plants. Capybaras are calm and friendly to many animals. They're super popular on the internet because of their cuteness. Frog. Frogs can live on land and in the water. Their strong back legs help them jump far. Their skin absorbs oxygen, so they need humidity. Frogs croak loudly during rainy seasons. They eat mosquitoes and insects, helping nature stay healthy. Scientists use frogs to check if the environment is clean. Gecko. Geckos can climb walls thanks to their sticky feet. They can drop their tails to escape danger. Their gecko call is common at night. They eat insects and keep nature in balance. Geckos change color lightly to match their surroundings. They're mysterious but harmless little reptiles. Praying mantis. Praying mantises look like they're holding their hands in prayer. They are fast, skilled hunters of insects. Their big eyes can see almost all around them. They are masters of camouflage. Mantises protect plants by eating pests. They're strange-looking but fascinating creatures. Deer. Deer have slim bodies and run very quickly. Males grow antlers used for fighting. They live in herds in forests and meadows. They eat soft grass and leaves. Deer are gentle but easily scared. They symbolize grace and beauty. Ostriches are the biggest birds in the world but can't fly. They run extremely fast, up to 43 miles per hour. Their long legs are powerful for self-defense. Their big eyes help them see far away. They live in hot, dry grasslands. They're the running champions of the bird world. Bear. Bears are large and very strong. They eat fish, berries, insects, and honey. Some bears sleep through the winter. Their sense of smell is incredible. Though powerful, they avoid danger when they can. They represent wild strength and bravery. Squirrel. Squirrels have fluffy tails to help them balance. They're quick, love climbing trees, and collect nuts. They hide food for winter. Their ears and bright eyes help them stay alert. They live in forests, parks, and neighborhoods. Squirrels are always lively and adorable. Hedgehog. Hedgehogs have sharp spines all over their backs. They curl into a ball when scared. They eat fruit, roots, and insects. They're active at night. Hedgehogs are gentle and slow-moving. Their unique appearance makes them unforgettable. Octopus. Octopuses have 8 strong, flexible arms. They are camouflage experts and change color instantly. They're very smart and can solve puzzles. They spray ink to escape danger. Their soft bodies squeeze through tiny spaces. They're magical and intelligent ocean creatures. Clownfish. Clownfish have bright orange and white stripes. They live safely with sea anemones that don't hurt them. They're brave when protecting their home. Clownfish swim in pairs and stay together for life. They're playful and curious. They're one of the ocean's cutest little fish. Lobster. Lobsters have tough shells and strong claws. They live on the seafloor and come out at night. They hunt slowly but accurately. They swim backward quickly when scared. Some lobsters live more than 50 years. They're the armored knights of the ocean. Turtle. Turtles have hard shells that protect them. They move slowly but steadily. Many turtles live incredibly long lives. They eat leaves, fruits, and sometimes small animals. Some live in water, others on land. Turtles stand for patience and long life. Starfish. Starfish usually have 5 arms. They move slowly using tiny tube feet. They can regrow lost arms. They eat shellfish and tiny sea animals. Their bodies are soft yet special. They're true stars of the ocean floor. Birds. Birds have feathers for warmth and wings for flying. They communicate with songs and calls. Each bird is different in shape and habits. They build nests in trees, cliffs, or bushes. Birds help scatter seeds and pollinate plants. They make nature bright and full of life. Chicken. Chickens are common farm animals. They scratch the ground for worms and seeds. Roosters crow loudly in the morning. Hens take good care of their chicks. They live in flocks with clear pecking order. Chickens are important in farm life. Duck. Ducks swim well with their webbed feet. They like ponds and rice fields. Their quack-quack call helps them stay together. Ducks eat seeds, grass, and tiny water creatures. They are gentle and easy to raise. They're familiar friends on every farm. Goat. Goats are amazing climbers with great balance. They eat grass, leaves, and even thorny bushes. Goats are curious and love exploring. They live in small herds. Male goats have strong curved horns. They're hardworking and tough animals. Horse. Horses are strong and fast runners. They remember paths very well. They live in herds and are very loyal. Horses communicate with neighs and ear movements. They've helped people travel for centuries. Horses symbolize freedom and strength. Cow. Cows are gentle and love eating grass. Their 4-chamber stomach helps them digest plants. Cows give milk, meat, and help with farm work. Their senses, especially smell, are very sharp. They communicate with deep moo sounds. They are essential in many farms around the world. Rabbit. Rabbits have long, sensitive ears. They hop quickly and quietly. They enjoy eating carrots and soft greens. Rabbits live in burrows and stay alert. They're gentle, shy, and very cute. They symbolize speed and sweetness. Mouse. Mice are tiny but clever. They climb and dig very well. They enjoy seeds, grains, and fruits. Mice reproduce quickly and live in groups. Their sense of smell is super sharp. They're important in scientific research. dog. Dogs are the most loyal friends to humans. Their sense of smell is many times stronger than ours. Dogs can guard homes, rescue people, and provide support. Each breed has different skills and personalities. Dogs are loving and playful. They're our best companions. And that's the end of our adventure today, little explorers. Thank you for joining me and learning about so many adorable animals. I can't wait to explore more fun worlds with you next time. See you soon with Lucy. Bye-bye.